Hello friends, how are you? In this video I will tell you how to remove FRP bypass Google account verification. This mobile hurrican h51, and now I am going to remove this FRP bypass. First of all, you have to connect Wi-Fi hotspot, and when you enter Wi-Fi hotspot password, after that do wait. It's connecting now, getting your phone to ready. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So you can see this mobile hurrican h51, and I'm going to remove FRP bypass. The wet it's working on, ready to. So friends, you can see here has locked icon, and this mobile is locked. So now you have to go back and click on emergency call and emergency information and open owner profile. You can see here pencil. After open owner profile, choose an image from file manager. You can see here there are file manager is open now you have to click on three bar and hold on gallery, go open info app. You can see here some settings are going on, and scroll down, click on permission. After that you can see here app permission and click on search icon. You had search here app and do it. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So there are apps on settings. You can see, click app information options. Do it, scroll down. You can see all apps and scroll down. You can see her last in YouTube. Sorry, you have to click Google Play service, and you have to disable this application. And now you have to Android Studio force stop, click here. After that you have to go back, and you have to last click go back. So you can see here there are setup. Click start this setup and escape it back. Setup offline, continue, but there are loading now and FRP not removed. You can see now you have to go back and click emergency call and emergency information. Click pencil, click on profile. After that choose an image, and then you have to gallery, go information app, and after that permission you have to search here to apps. Do it, it's loading now, and now you have to click on app information, see all apps, scroll down, click on YouTube, and now you have to click on open it application. So friends, click enable, and now you have to enable this application. After that go back. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Click start this setup, escape it. click go back and set up offline. Continue. Just a second. So friends, if we bypass smooth, click more and set up this complete and click escape patron lock. Just a second, it's working on. So friends, you can see here this mobile FRP bypass Google account verification is unlocked, and now you can use this mobile easy. There are no problem. And now if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. You can see this mobile hurrican h51. So now I'm going to next video, and take care.